In this video, I'm going to be ranking the 9 worst mistakes I see new creators make. 9 goes to not engaging on your own posts. Like, you're a small creator, you have 2 comments. Why are you not responding to those 2 comments? Who do you think you are? Number 8, focusing on branding elements. Like your logos, your brand colors, your brand fonts, like obsessing over these things and nobody really cares, nobody really notices. I assure you, like branding elements, like they don't matter. Don't worry, I obsessed with it too, so yeah. Number 7, posting consistently and then ghosting and then coming back to say, did you guys miss me? Or I'm back. No, we didn't miss you. We didn't even notice you were gone. We don't know you. Please go back to wherever you were. Number 6, thinking that they need to engage with big creators. Like they need to leave a lot of comments on big creators' posts in order to grow. Like, I think maybe on LinkedIn this works, but like every other platform, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. Please just focus on your content. Thank you. Number 5, not posting consistently. I think this one is a given. Like if you don't post consistently, nobody knows you, nobody cares. You will disappear into. Number 4, thinking that you need to focus on quality over quantity. Like quality is good, but as a beginner, you don't even know what quality looks like. Like you have no idea what makes a video high quality. Trust me, it's not the camera, it's not the gear, it's not the lights, it's not anything that you think it is. It is your story, it is your hook, it is, things like your pacing, your viewer retention. Nobody actually cares about what camera you're using. It doesn't matter. Okay, 3. Which brings number 3. Not using good hooks. Like you think your hook is good because you saw it on an Instagram template that everybody else has seen, but that's not what makes a good hook a good hook. A good hook needs to have both visual elements and like what you're actually seeing. So in this video, I use this colorful thing as a hook because it works, and I mean you're watching the video, so it works. Number 2, buying expensive gear for absolutely no reason. You don't even know how to use the iPhone that you already have. You don't even know how to use your ring light. You're still using directly to your face. That's not how a ring light is supposed to be used. You're supposed to put it at a 45-degree angle. You can get this shadow thing here. That's how it's done. You don't know these things. And number 1, trying to get a big creator to collaborate with you. Like they have absolutely no incentive to want to collaborate with you. So why would they agree? Ask yourself before you look for a collab, what are you bringing to the table? Also, if you don't have an existing relationship with said creator, just forget about it. Focus on your content and focus on your community. I actually don't have anything else. Like I just checked my list and that's all I've got.